Hi! If you've got one of these thermal sights, then IR.Tools has a training target to help you get great. So the IR.Tools Upright Thermal Passive Training Target Kit is right here. The kit is built with our exclusive upright thermal film. So what does that mean? Well, the upright thermal film gives you two key advantages. One, it has great contrast, so it's easy for you to see with your thermal sight. And two, you can see it from any position and any angle, which means your setup is super easy and quick. So what is in the kit? The first thing you'll find is your zero target. So this zero target is the easiest way for you to sight in your thermal sight at 25, 50 meters or more. Secondly, you're going to have a training target. Here's a coyote training target, but we also have available a boar and an E-type. So shoot your target. Once you're done, the third item is pasters. So the pasters can be used to seal the holes or cover your holes. So you can take your paster, cover up whatever hole, or by the way, if you'd like to create a special aim point, say at the heart, you can place that paster right on the target to give you something extra to aim at. So, good luck shooting. Take care.